And as your book notes, almost 90% of two-syllable nouns in English, like garden, freedom, answer, have first syllable stress. So that's your first guideline. If you have a noun that's two syllables, and many of them are, you can make a guess that the stress will be on the first syllable. 90% of the time you'll be right. Okay? Now these are what we call compound nouns. Deadline. Lifestyle. Traffic jam. Does anyone know what a compound noun is?
These two words, two nouns together, significating or having another signification.
Exactly. So two nouns that you put together that just have one meaning, okay? And sometimes they're combined into one word, like deadline or lifestyle. Sometimes we write them as two words, but we still say them together almost like they're one word, okay? And so as your book notes, if it's a one-word or a two-word compound noun, okay, a noun that comes from two separate words, you're always going to put the primary stress on the first syllable, like airport. Everybody, airport. Laptop. Hamburger. Fax machine. Air conditioner. Baseball player. Now, here are some what we call adverbs of location. Adverbs of location, they give you more information about where, about places. Everybody, outdoors. Southwest. Downtown. Works outdoors. From the southwest. Went downtown. Okay? So if it's an adverb, and what we call a compound adverb, where it tells you about a place and it has two adverbs put together, like out and doors, south and west, okay? You're going to put the primary stress on the last syllable. So compound nouns, you stress the first syllable. Compound adverbs, you stress the last syllable, like outside, upstairs, northwest. And all of these are compound adverbs of location. They give you more information about a place. Okay? Now, one more category here. We have what we call reflexive pronouns, and we use these pretty frequently in English. Okay? Everybody, myself. Themselves. Herself. Okay? So if you have one of these reflexive pronouns that ends in self or selves, you stress the syllable with the self or selves, like himself, herself, okay, themselves, okay? Now, there is one exception. There's always an exception, okay, to the first rule. As your book notes at the bottom of the page, if the second noun is composed of the material of the first noun, you stress both nouns, like silk tie, wool coat, cotton shirt, cream cheese, paper towels, apple pie. Okay? This isn't very common. It's just something for you to keep in the back of your mind. Okay? Now,